Did you know there's a creature that can survive the vacuum of outer space? Let's dive into some of the strangest facts about land animals that sound completely made up, but are all backed by real science. Get comfortable, because your view of the animal kingdom is about to change. First up, tardigrades, also known as water bears. These microscopic creatures are basically indestructible. In 2007, scientists sent them into orbit and exposed them directly to the vacuum of space, along with deadly solar radiation. Most of them survived and even laid viable eggs afterward. They can also withstand being frozen to nearly absolute zero and boiled past the point where water evaporates. Next, elephants have a secret way of talking that humans can't hear. They produce deep infrasound rumbles below our hearing range, and other elephants pick up these signals as vibrations through the ground, using sensitive nerve endings in their feet and trunks. This lets herds coordinate over distances of several miles, even when they're completely out of sight of each other. Here's a strange one: elephants can't jump. Their leg structure and sheer body weight mean all 4 feet can never leave the ground at once, making them one of the very few mammals physically incapable of it. Now let's talk about chameleons. Their color-changing ability isn't from mixing pigments like a painter's palette. Instead, they have a layer of tiny nanocrystals under their skin. By relaxing or tightening this layer, they change the spacing between the crystals, which changes the wavelength of light reflected back. That's how a calm chameleon can flash bright orange or blue in seconds when it gets excited or threatened. Sloths take slowness to an extreme most animals can't imagine. They move so little that algae actually grow directly on their fur, giving many sloths a greenish tint that helps camouflage them in the rainforest canopy. Even stranger, sloths only climb down to the ground to go to the bathroom about once a week, a risky trip that actually accounts for a huge percentage of sloth deaths from predators. Axolotls are practically real-life superheroes. These salamanders can regrow entire limbs, complete with bone, muscle, and nerves, and they can do it over and over without scarring. But it doesn't stop there. Axolotls can also regenerate parts of their spinal cord, their jaw, and even portions of their brain and heart, which is why scientists study them intensely for clues about human tissue regeneration. Cats have a taste bud mystery. Unlike almost every other mammal, cats are missing the specific gene needed to taste sweetness. So that innocent little lick of ice cream your cat seems to enjoy has nothing to do with the sugar, it's likely just the fat and texture they're after. And finally, kangaroos physically cannot walk backwards. Their oversized hind legs, feet, and thick tail are built for powerful forward hopping, but that same structure makes reversing essentially impossible, which is part of why the kangaroo appears on Australia's coat of arms as a symbol of progress. Nature really is stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible animals, hit subscribe so you never miss an episode packed with facts that will blow your mind.